What's up guys, welcome to this new video. Today is day 8 of creating one graphic per day for 30 days. Fortunately, I'm okay. I'm still going with the videos and with the graphics, so good for me. In yesterday's video, I created a graphic with a collage and with the word regret, and it came out really colorful and fantastic. Today, we are going to do a similar thing, but with the word extracted by an online generator, which is reward. Let's get straight into the video. Here we are in Photoshop. So the main idea I wanted to follow for this graphic was focused on my idea and what I'm thinking when I think about the word reward. So what I think about the reward is a cash prize reward, and when I think of a cash prize reward, I think of this kind of poster here that you can see in Western movies, the reward of dead or alive. So this is the kind of idea I want to follow, but with my own twist. So I added an 8 in this cash reward prize because today is day 8 of this 30-day challenge, and I'm gonna add my twist focusing on the main character that needs to be catched. In this case, the main character I want to focus on is the mascot for this channel here. I think we can talk about it later, since now I'm just focusing on adding some text. Basically, I'm just copying down the same exact text found on the poster. Now it's time to create the actual Global Mind Studios man. I will need to get 2 elements. The first element is a cowboy hat, since this design is cowboy themed, and the second element is a Global Mind face, which will be the face of this character here. I designed this face here in another video. You can find in the description the video on how I created this design here. This is a Travis Scott type of inspired design, but I really like how it came out, and so I'm gonna use it to create part of this design. So to create this design here, I decided to go with 2 threshold effects, not 1, 2, because of the different shades of the graphic. After I cut out and I removed the white parts of this black and white graphic, since I'm gonna add a gradient of the colors of the earth on top of only the white parts of this design to make it more colorful and more to the point for this graphic here. I'm gonna use 4 main colors: green, blue, maybe orange, yellow, and brown. I will use it for the head. This is a really slow process. In fact, I'm gonna speed up a bit. It's a really long process that took me a lot of time, since I decided to create the gradient by hand with the eraser tool rather than just using the gradient function in Photoshop. Now it's time to focus on the other parts of the graphic, so the text. I'm just copying down again and adapting the text found in the poster. Even the layout, I'm gonna copy it slightly. In fact, I'm adding Global Mind Studios man like that, then I'm adding here a line and putting the Global Mind Studios man in the left. As you can see right now, it's pretty nice. In this part here, I'm just gonna describe why the Global Mind Studios man needs to be captured. Before, the idea that I had was to just write some information about the earth. This is why I searched the age of the earth, but then I decided why not, and why just focus on my clothing brand. So I'm basically describing the Global Mind Studios man as a man which is famous for the creation of competitive original clothing brands to design only original apparel pieces. The Global Mind Studios man needs to be captured because it's too good and adds a positive impact in the streetwear scene, even on YouTube, since I think I inspire people in a different way than others do with their videos, because I try to think outside of the box and creating something different and original at the same time by just focusing on the different aspects of the global mindset. So this is the concept that I want to put inside this design and even inside this video here, and I hopefully shared all of my knowledge with you guys. Now I think that to complete this graphic here, I will add with the same effect of the Global Mind Studios man some flowers. I will use the same colors for the flowers as in the Global Mind Studios man to create a really nice graphic with the 4 colors to just complement the Global Mind Studios man. I'm adding flowers since in Western films they're not really used, but I want to add them since they're really nice, and I wanted to add them in a graphic for this 30-day challenge, so I decided to add them, of course with the same gradient feature. I've never seen people use this type of gradient feature since it takes a really long time to make, but I like it, so it's good like this. So here we basically arrived at the end of this graphic here, so here's the final result. And of course you can find even the criterions that I use to grade this design here. If you want to help me out and grade this design with me, you can just leave a comment below. I will appreciate it a ton. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow we are going to create another graphic, so subscribe if you're new. That's pretty much it. Bye bye.